Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome to another video. I wanted it to do another video in the middle of the week. Well, it's not the middle of the week, it's Thursday, May 14, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's a 14. Just to review the four pairs that we were doing a analysis last Sunday. So we're gonna do it real quick, probably try to do it quick as possible, because I like to do another video, brand new pairs on Sunday. But we're gonna review the ones we were looking at, and we started with GBP CAD. We were looking. We established that the trend was an uptrend, the major trend, anyways. Intermediate trend, it was down on the 4 hour. On Sunday we were just sitting right here in this area. Last Sunday, this area right there, and although we had triple arrows, because I'm using the triple arrows, and that during that time we had the triple arrows around this area already in the 1 hour time frame. So what I was saying is we cannot just take that 1 hour triple arrows. Although my time, sometimes it might work, give you a few pips, but most of the time, if the 4 hour still has momentum, the trend is going to keep going. In this case, will be the intermediate trend. We could make it a little bigger right here. So I'm talking about this trend right here, and not only that one, but if I put right, I'm talking, we have this sideways momentum going, and then we were looking at this swing right there, the last swing, 4 hours, 1 hour. I'm trying to go as quick as possible. So my bottom line on Sunday was we need to wait for the triple arrows on the 4 hours. And guess what? Today, I think between today and tomorrow, the major arrow showed up. So it's there. Now we need to wait for the other confirmation arrows, which will be the yellow arrow and the little arrows. This case will be a yellow and a blue arrow going up. And everybody has, different confirmations when to go into the trade. But I would like to share one with you that is simple and it's easy. Obviously, if you don't have the triple arrow system that is directing you where to go, it's hard to do it. That's why I recommend 100% to have the triple arrows. It's one of the best systems in the world. You can't just get the last two major highs. If you have some experience on Forex, you know that the bottom peaks, we call them lows. Top peaks, we call them highs. So get the two major ones before it starts turning around. Draw yourself a trend line. You can do it in an hour, it's fine, after you have a 4 hour. And what you want to wait is for that trend line to break. And don't just go into the trade. Be patient enough to wait for that trend line to get retested. Then, if you see a rejection action right there, you go into the trade. So, if you don't have the triple arrows and you follow my directions, you can do that. No problem. So, my guess, today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday, so my guess is this is going to be done next week. If we don't keep this momentum going for another week, we'll see. But I think next week we will have this trade ready to go. Maybe Tuesday, Wednesday, we'll see what happens, how everything develops. Sometimes the market moves pretty fast, sometimes it moves slower. So that's where we are with the GBP CAD. AUCAD. I put little circles there. So when we were doing the last video, we were right here. And what I was saying, okay, although that we had arrow there, the main arrow was right here. On the 1 hour though, I was saying we need to wait for the 4 hours for the triple arrow in the 4 hours, and that happened this week. Matter of fact, I think it happened between yesterday and today. So we had 1, 2, 3 triple arrows. So we had to be patient to wait all this time to get triple arrows. Once you get triple arrows in the 4 hours, I normally go down to either 1 hour or 30 minutes. You can find a quicker entrance into the market. One entrance could be once you see 1, 2, 3 triple arrows, maybe a break of a moving average. That can be a move. But we caught this move right here. I entered around this area right here, and I was able to get about 40 pips, and I'm still in that move. Okay, because remember, this is 4 hour triple arrow, so as a minimum, I'm predicting this move. Well, it has a potential to go all the way to the 200. This is the 200 moving average, so this can easily go visit this area right here. But what it's doing right now, I think it's going to go maybe a little bit higher. Maybe it'll break that top right there, and then after that we will do this analysis again on Sunday. Something like this, up and then out. Continue that triple arrow indication down. Okay, now we're going to go to GPNCD. Excuse me, GPNCD. We were right here. We established that the major trend is down in this pair. So but we were trying to do a 1 second here. Obviously the major trend is down. We can see that, right? We have triple arrows on the 1 day, so we're going down. So if we go to lower time frame, we have triple arrows on a pullback. So a pullback can be 1, 2, maybe 3. Normally pullbacks out like that. I mean, they behave like that. They do 1 and some sort of 2, but this is a huge pullback it's doing. And then maybe, I don't know, this area and then down, or it can go up here and then, or break it to about, maybe do it kind of touch it again, retest that area. But this is a good chance pullback. So we were looking at this area right here. We were right there, and we didn't have triple arrows at that time, not even in the 1 hour. So yesterday we got those triple arrows. I was able to enter around this area right here. All I did is, when I had the triple arrows, I had a few hours right there, right, and then it showed up right here. But market makers, what they like to do is when they're gonna move out of the area, I think this was news anyways, but they took advantage of that news to pull the market away from that area real quick in one candlestick. Okay, when I saw this arrow, in like 2 hours, let's say 2 hours, like 30 minutes after, because this is on a 1 hour candle, I was able to catch it around here approximately, and I was able to make a few pips right there. Now my prediction, although we have a 1 hour triple arrow down, I believe we still have one more high on this one, meaning that it might come down around this area and then go up one more time. But we're gonna see this on Sunday again to see where we're at. And the last one is CHFJPY. On Sunday we were exactly right here, and I was saying the market was gonna go higher with this line, and then it was gonna do a retracement coming down. And obviously the market went higher, and now it's doing the retracement. It went very, very strong, very, very strong. And now we're in this retracement right here, which is a very good opportunity because our trend, major trend, is up at this moment. So I really like that trade. There's going to be a good opportunity. The way normally the market behaves, this is going to do 1, 2, 3, another low right here, or a double bottom, maybe something like that. Maybe it'll break it, but we're gonna wait for this move on the, let's look at it 1 hour, see that how the look move. Well, we have triple arrows here, so now we definitely waiting for another move down. When we get triple arrows, we definitely gonna get that trade. If you want to get that trade, just use the trend lines like I'm showing you, like that. All depends where the price is. Or let it break down, let it break it, come down, retest, and go on the trade. Sounds very simple, right? Sometimes it's simple, sometimes it complicates a little bit. But those are the 4 pairs that I did my analysis like last Sunday. Anyways, I don't even know if I say my name. I barely started doing videos on English. My name is Jay Flores, and this is a triple arrow system. Super easy triple arrow system. Not only you can do forex, you can do stocks, you can do all kinds of different binaries also. This is a very good trading system. Obviously you need to learn how to use it properly, the right times to use it properly. So if you're interested in getting that system, I have a link underneath the description. If you get it under my link, obviously I get a little compensation. I'm willing to help you install it correctly, and if you have any questions, I can teach you how to use it. Although the company offers you training, it offers you anything you need to succeed in the markets. They have live sessions for trades. They got 4 different coaches, which they are great. They do scalping, they do swing trades. So I really recommend it. Okay friends, so on Sunday I will do another video for try to find some more pairs to trade next week. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.